Hi, in today's video I'll be showing you how to connect GoHighLevel CRM with Google Mail. It's quite simple. All you need to do is open up the HighLevel app and open up the myaccount.google.com. Then you'll be greeted with something that looks like this. You need to have two-step verification turned on, so that's the thing. When you log in, it sends your codes to your phone. That makes sure that you don't get hacked and your email doesn't get misused, because linking mail to a CRM gives you a lot of power, so Google wants to make sure that their services and your mail stay secure. So let's do that. Just type two-step authentication and set that up. Just add phone number, enter a phone number in here, and that's it. Simple as that. And once that is done, you can just go to app passwords. I'm telling you to just search for the features instead of actually look for them on these pages because they get moved so frequently. So let's just proceed with that. After you're on the app passwords page, you can just type HighLevel. Just copy the code, the whole code with all of the spaces and everything. Then let's go to settings. Then click on email services. And here, let's click on add a service. Gmail. Enter the password right there. So you can clearly see it's 16 characters with 3 spaces in between. So this is not your regular password that you used to log into. Like when you go to log into Gmail, this is the app password that we just generated. Now I can just enter our support email like this. Click on save. And that's it, simple as that. An easy way to check if your email is working is to send an email from a workflow that already exists, or you can just make a new one. So go to automations, new automation, simple as that, and then I'll just make a new workflow. So the action is called send email. Let's send it from Alec, click amplify, from hello, click amplify. So we want to send the email to this one. And let's just copy some text, just so it has some actual content in it. And let's name it click amplify email test mailtester.com. Cool. So that's the name of the tool. And let's click on send test mail. Email sent. Good. Then we can check our score. Perfect, and we passed with flying colors. We got that 10 out of 10 score, but if you didn't and if you need help, feel free to contact me at hello@clickamplify.com, or just send a comment, or just reach out via Instagram. If you want to get HighLevel at a special price of $69 a month instead of $97 a month, check out the link in the description below and save $336 a year. And if you need any other help, reach out to our team at hello@clickamplify.com and we'll help you out regarding any issues, SEO, websites, email, social media, whatever you need. We'll make sure that you're covered, that you're happy, and that you're getting the results that you expect. So talk soon. Make sure to like and subscribe, and talk later. See ya.